Beautiful day. Look, so sunshiny. Open the door. I think it's about 65 degrees outside. I'd love to get out there and start working in a trail manner, but I know better. If I get out there, I'll do something and hurt myself. So I'm gonna wait for a while. Anyway, about 3 weeks before I went to the hospital, maybe a little more, I ordered an item for the trail manor. It was on back order. It came today. I love it when I get mail anyway. So I'm going to set it up over there on the bed so I can reach it. Okay, got it up here. It's pretty light, which is what I wanted for the trail manor, because I'm going to put it up on one of the walls. You put up on the wall when the trail manor is open, and then when I'm traveling, it'll have to come down. So I have to be moving it, and it's got to be light. I've learned my lesson. Things must be light for Lori to use them. Lots of bubble wrap to play with. Goodness, I don't know how they got it in this box. Wow. Okay, this off. I'm going to save this bubble wrap. It's teeny tiny, and if I ever need to ship anything, then I'll have a good packing to do it with. Okay, so here it is. It's even got a little bracelet on it. Goodness. I don't know what those are, and there's not any instructions. Oh, these are little chalkboard things that slide down inside to label what's in it. But it's teeny tiny chicken wire. It needs to be bent back in place in some places. But like I said, it's very light, and I can hang it from these things here in the trail manor, and it'll be handy for fresh fruits and vegetables in the kitchen area. So that's what that is. I just got to get some chalk. There's screws to hook it to the wall with. Hooray! Yeah, nice big slots, and they're pretty deep, and then it's got the shelf on top. If I could get it further away from me. Yeah, it's got a little shelf on top for, like, I don't know, paper plates or napkins, plastic cups, and then fresh fruits and vegetables in the little shelves, and then, like I said, the little nameplates. Anyway, yeah. No, I can't go out there today. I'm fighting hard not to, but I know I better wait, so I'm just going to stick this aside with the other trail manor stuff. And probably in a couple weeks, physical therapy, that place, I don't know, they called me again today, wanted me to set an appointment to come back. And I told them, you know, I was there like 2 weeks ago, and I'm just now getting back to where I was the day I went to your place. And I said to them that, you know, even my doctor was pretty pissed off at him for having me do those exercises. But anyway, so I told them no, I wasn't coming back, and if they wanted clarification, they would have to call my pain management doctor, and I gave them the number. And here comes a train. Anyway, so I am back in this bedroom. Last night was the first night, and I used that little heater. I had it set at 70, and it kept the room at 68 because it's a pretty big room, and it shut off and came back on. So I don't think it's going to be as expensive to run that as it was the pellet stove, or to run the big heater. Train. There's an issue waiting for that. Well, I guess I could close the door. Anyway, the issue with the heater on the roof is it won't even come on now. I don't know if I did a video on that or not, but it was pretty cold one night or morning, I don't even remember. And I thought, I'm just going to turn the heater on long enough to take the chill off the house. And it was just grinding and roaring, and it wouldn't do it. So, and I'm not going to have somebody come out and replace it or work on it because it's just too expensive. So I'll survive the way I'm surviving. I got my basket for my trail lantern. So I'm going to get this new shelf put away. I love it. It's pretty. It's kind of a antique brown color. I don't know how to explain it. It's really pretty. Train's gone. And I think it'll look good in there. Haven't decided what wall to put it on. I have to think about that one. Depends on what wall's big enough. Okay, I'm going to let you go, and I will talk to you later. Bye.